today, guys. The girl's still weak. And I was gonna go to bed early. And it sounds like a war zone. I can't sleep now. And I even took my medicine. Roxy ain't liking it either. Hi. She's a good dog. She just wants to be where I'm at. She knows I don't feel good. And I feel even worse. All that booming and banging is giving me a headache. I mean, I love fireworks, I really do. But, come on. Not in the neighborhood. Make the windows rattle. I guess I'm just sick, so and it's bothering me because I'm just not feeling well. So I'll just lay here with my sausage dog. Yeah, that's fireworks. It's exactly what that is. You said you're not impressed, huh? See, I'm not impressed. She's the only thing that makes me feel good, makes me feel better. Is a little wiener dog. And her long nose. And her long body. Oh, I wish they would hurry up and get done with the fireworks. I want to go to bed. I'm tired and I don't feel good. And I've been through heck. And like I said, that bracket's giving me a headache. I'm not opposed to fireworks. I'll be the first one to watch a good fireworks show. But right now, and they're not even supposed to be blowing them off in town. So, I don't know why they do it. I just ain't feeling it, guys. I just ain't feeling it. You quit licking my pillow? You doing a snack down there? Probably watch the snack down there. I'm gonna get off here, guys. I'm just not with it. I'm just not feeling it. I'm still under the weather. Weather. I'll get back with y'all when I can. And I love each and every one of y'all. Until I get to feeling better. Peace out. Bye.